Hello students of Standard 5. We learned chapter 16, Mini and the Kabuliwala, part 4. I have written here some word meaning. See, Afghan means a person from Afghanistan. Novel, a long story. Verse, item for sale. Kabuliwala, a trader from Kabul. Kidnapped, taken away by force and kept as prisoner. Raisins, dry grapes. So these word meanings please write in your copy and you should learn it by heart. Now we saw in part 3 that Mini called Kabuliwala from the window and she came. As Kabuliwala looked at her, she felt very scared and she walked backward steps and then she ran away. Meanwhile, father came and he bought some raisins, means dry grapes for her because she had fought. Then the man asked, "Where is the little girl?" And father also was happy to call her to show that there is nothing, this man has nothing, fear should go away of the girl. And he called. Girl came, she was staring at his bag, again looking at the bag and at him. And she did that and then she realized this man has nothing. And now it is in this saying, after a few days later, father heard the sound of laughter outside my window. It was Mini sitting on a bench with the Kabuliwala sitting at her feet. He was listening patiently to all that she had to say. The corner of the little sari she wore was stuffed with almonds and raisins. I gave Rahman some money. I smiled, he smiled too. Dear students, here is telling after few days, he saw this girl, little girl Mini, and Rahman sitting there and laughing and talking. He saw Mini sitting on the bench and near her feet only Kabuliwala was sitting. They both were discussing something and laughing loudly. Both were enjoying. Girl says so many things and this man listening and enjoying. And father saw that she was wearing sari and at the end of the sari she kept, it was filled with some raisins and almonds. That badam you eat, almond badam, that was there, and dried raisins she kept at the end of the one corner like this she was catching. Father came, he felt as he was a very good father, good man also, and he saw that daughter has taken something, he brought some money and gave to the Kabuliwala because he didn't want that his business should fall or he should have some loss because of this little child. So he doesn't want to scold the child. He likes that child should have something, but he should give the money. Father gave the money to the child and he gave the Kabuliwala money for what she has taken, and Kabuliwala took the money and he also smiled at father. Father also smiled. Dear children, how often do you feel to talk with the people, those who come at your door? Many children, mother says, to many children, their parents tell, beta, go and give this to the man outside. Bah, I don't go. You reject it. You don't go. If you go also very far away, you give and you come away. Or some children throw the money, take your money, mommy gave or daddy gave. Children, it is very nice if you talk to them in the language or whatever way possible uncle take, auntie take this, or this is mummy has given, where you are, you sit down. Some concerned word. Every human like to have love and concern. Even to you somebody rejects you, how do you feel? What will be your feeling? In this lesson, Rabindranath Tagore speaks that how father is generous and kind, how little girl is kind, and father is accepting this girl as she does, and helps. He is standing side by to her. Everywhere he noticed to her, and he helps her. He never scolded, why do you talk this man? Why do you talk to him? But he encouraged. When you mingle with people and with the knowledge of your parents, because they know who are others. If parents know, they will guide you and help you with whom to talk and with whom not to talk. You should have some freedom and sharing with your parents and then with others. If you are hiding something with the parents, then you can't succeed in your life. First friends and first teachers are at your home. Your parents are your friends and your teachers first, who will guide you, support you to the good. So dear children, you should learn to be open to your parents, and they will be always helpful to you. Thank you, children.